Hello Gotbackup family. In this video, we're going to learn how to install our Gotbackup software onto our Mac. In this example, I am using macOS Catalina. I have a 2012 MacBook Pro, but this is the same process on all newer Macs. So here we are in our Gotbackup members area. To find the installation file for Gotbackup, we're going to come over here on the left-hand tab, Digital Tools, Gotbackup. Use this tool. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom left, right here, and click Download for macOS. Give it about a minute to download. And then on this bottom corner is going to be your download. You're going to see the Gotbackup Mac file that we just downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And just give it a moment to initialize. And all we got to do for Mac is just grab this little icon and put it inside this application folder. And it's going to install for us. And here it is. It's been installed. So let's double-click that. It's just going to ask you, are you sure you want to open it? So let's go ahead and open it. Gotbackup requires you to have full disk access because remember, this is going to happen in the background. So we need to give the app permission. To do this, we're going to click this little padlock. Then you'll be asked to enter your Mac password, not your Gotbackup password, but your Mac password for your actual MacBook. This is to open up your system preferences and allow Gotbackup to work in the background. Then we're just going to scroll down and find the Gotbackup app. And we're just going to check it because remember, this is going to happen in the background. So you're giving it permission. I'm going to go ahead and lock that again. I can exit out of this. And now you'll be asked to log in with your Gotbackup username and password. So it's going to just give you a little welcome prompt. And I just want to show you what's going to be backed up. This is my main hard drive, and I have about 200 gigs on there. I have a lot of applications and I have some pictures, documents, and movies. So I'm going to go ahead and just start backing up, and that's going to back up everything. And that's the cool thing about Gotbackup. So this is literally the set and forget part of this. I'm going to close it. And you can see here that it's now going to start backing up. And depending on how large your hard drive is, this could take a couple of hours or this could potentially take all night. So it's always a good idea to pre-plan before you start your initial backup. And even if I close this, you'll still see that this little icon is still up here working in the background. And then all I got to do is just right-click and open it up again, and it will bring you back. And it's still working in the background. So let's go ahead and let that finish. Great, I'm all backed up now. Now let me just show you how to get to your cloud. We're going to come up here to the top right where this little lock icon is. Then we're going to right-click and then we're going to click Open Control Panel. Now to get you to your cloud, you'll just click where your account is right here. And now here's my MacBook that was just backed up. This Macintosh right here is right here. And if you had more devices or another computer on here, you would see them right here. For this example, I just have one. Now let's say I wanted to restore some pictures. There's some pictures on my hard drive that I want to restore. Let's just make a quick example of that. I'm going to create a folder on my desktop, and I'll call it Restore. Just click the Restore button and it's going to ask you to put in your Gotbackup login and password. And now it's going to load your file tree for your computer. So now this right here is basically my whole MacBook that's been backed up. And if I hit this little arrow, it will reveal the file structure of my MacBook that was just backed up, as you could see. And let's say if I want to come to my pictures. I want to back these up. I'll put them over here. So to do that, I'm just basically going to follow that same structure over here to my users. And I want to choose my pictures. So if I click that I want to restore over here to this folder. So I'm going to go to my desktop right here. And then this folder is this folder right here. Open. And I'm not going to overwrite anything because this is a brand new folder. So I'm going to go ahead and restore that. Awesome. It's been restored. Let's just go double check. Users. And here are my pictures. It's really that easy.